Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Okay, today our next day. So, अब morning हो चुकी है. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Okay, and now I want to show you the view from my house, which one you're waiting for since last yesterday. Okay, here we go. I will show you the beach first. Here we go. This one just opposite अले वाह माशाल्लाह कैसा ज़बरदस्त बीच है. अभी हम सुबह उठे हैं और थोड़ी देर तक यहाँ से बस नीचे जाएंगे, थोड़े से फ्रेश हो लें, little bit fresh first, then we go in that beach. And today so many things going on. Have a fun, have a swimming, so many things going on यहाँ पे होने वाली हैं. अरे बड़ा मज़ा आएगा यहाँ पे. अभी अरीबा भी सोई हुई है और मौसम भी काफ़ी प्यारा हो रहा है इस वक्त. हल्के हल्के बादल आए हुए हैं, little bit cloudy. I think so later maybe raining also. So catch you later guys. I will show you. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Say assalamu alaikum. Walaikum salam. Good morning. Each morning ready. If I want to wake up, it's going to be 9 o'clock. This morning. Areeba want to wake up or not? I want to wake up. Don't want. Areeba like this room? How's Areeba? Sleep nicely? Areeba sleep nicely? अच्छा यहाँ मेरा बेटा कितने पॉलिश तरीके से सोया हुआ है. उठना नहीं मेरे बेटे ने उठना नहीं है सुबह सुबह. Don't want to wake up. Huh? Don't want to wake up? Don't want to wake up? Why you don't want to wake up? Okay. Sleep. Okay? Sleep back. Okay, we are going where? Bridge. Oh, sorry, bridge. We are going to beach. Areeba like it? So Areeba want to swim there? Okay. So it's very hot, but you cannot swim too late, huh? Okay. Just only 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour only can now. Just 1 hour, okay? Because it's hot later, Areeba become black. How? Okay, we reach ground floor. Let's go. Okay, अब अरीबा वहाँ पे बीच पे जाएगी, है ना अरीबा? Okay, go straight. That way, go straight. There. हाँ, slowly. Okay. Areeba, very nice view. Left hand, here. Wow, such a nice view. Huh? Yeah. You want to go there? Wow, here's some bikes also. Can ride this one. Huh? 10 minutes? You have to swim 10 minutes only?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Come on, Areeba.
Get your feet closer.
Yeah.
We can go here, people.
This one also got Areeba. See, wow. This one also we take later on, okay? Alright? Okay, come there. Come there. Go there.
Take a slipper.
Take out slipper over there. But it's very hot. Oh my god, Areeba is very hot. You can see the view. Wow, so nice. Wow, nobody is here. Only Areeba. Only Areeba want to play here, huh? Areeba only want to play here? Okay. Let's go there. Go inside the water. Go inside water there, go. Go slowly. All the shells here. Huh? Oh, la 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 la. La 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 la. What you doing? What is? Okay, go inside water. You can go or not? Areeba can go or not? Areeba, go, 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 Areeba, go. Go. There, our house. What you doing? You playing with sand? You want to play with sand?
Yeah.
Okay, you play. How you wanna play? See, Areeba like this.
Yeah.
Go slowly, slowly. Go slowly, slowly. Go, don't be scared. Wow, so nice.
That's right.
Areeba, go inside water. Go inside water, Areeba. You say you wanna go right now? You can go. Why you scared? Why you scared? Areeba like this. Some more go. Some more go there. That side. Go a little bit there. Good girl. Wow. Areeba scared right now. She's very scared right now. Such a nice view. No one is here. हमने ही पूरा आइलैंड बुक किया हुआ है और यहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं है. No one is here. Only me and my baby only. So we are both only enjoying right now. My brother and brother wife right now sleeping. They not yet wake up. Okay, but it's really nice for holiday. Nice place. Okay, but यहाँ पे some boats वगैरह नहीं है. वो दूसरे आइलैंड पे हैं. वहाँ पे हम थोड़ी देर तक निकलेंगे. वहाँ पे भी जाएंगे और यहाँ पे एक वाटर पार्क भी है. Got one more water park also. In short while we can go over there. So I will catch up you later. Okay, and I will show you right now. Areeba wants this one. Areeba very enjoying right now. Okay, see you. Wow, nice Areeba. Go some more there, some more there. उधर जा थोड़ा सा Areeba, थोड़ा सा आगे जाओ बेटा. Go go go, jump 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 jump. Yeah, so nice. Like this jumping. Very good. Areeba enjoy?
Yeah.
Areeba enjoy कर रही है? Areeba को मज़ा आ रहा है? हाँ Areeba? Areeba, you enjoy or not? Wow. Amazing. Go that side. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. Very hot, Areeba. Later you become black ready. Your body color change, you know. Sunbar, you know, Areeba. Later, Okay, see? Nice. It's different, right? This one different, huh? Yeah, in our place, that one is small. This is very big. Wow. You want to take your slipper? Why you want to take your slipper? Like this, okay lah. Like this. Here got one restaurant. Later Areeba can eat here. Just opposite beach only here. So now weather is very hot. So I tell Areeba, don't go first. Wait for a while. Then after that you can go swim again. Okay, Areeba, you go swim later on again, huh? You just enjoy here first, okay? Right? What happened? Oh, nice. What Areeba want to eat? Let's check the menu first, huh? Okay. This one, the beach cafe, Kuantan. Okay. So let me see what we can eat here. Areeba want egg sandwich?
No, I want egg.
Huh?
And then
Hot dog. Hot dog. Okay, let me check got hot for hot dog or not. You wanna eat rice? Rice chicken?
yeah.
Rice chicken, huh? So Papa order for you rice chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna eat rice chicken, huh? Okay, alright. So Papa order, huh? You have rice chicken, rice chicken. Rice chicken. Tak spicy, yeah? No spicy. No spicy. Okay, she can eat, right? Dia boleh makan, Boleh makan, Okay. So satu lah, satu.
Satu set.
Yeah, satu set lah. Areeba want to eat chicken fries some more. Noodles? Areeba want to eat noodles? Which one you want? Okay, tell Papa which one you want. Which one? You want noodles? You want rice? You want sandwich? What you want? Because just now Papa ordered for you something ready. So now what Areeba want? She choose. Don't know what she wanna eat. Areeba. See everything in front of you. You can choose anything, huh? Huh?
Egg hot dog.
Egg hot dog don't have only egg god, rice god. Okay. All right. Ken. Oh, so angry already. Why are you angry already? You will like it. You can like it. आपको अच्छा लगेगा Areeba. You will like it. Okay. All right. You wanna see cartoon? Okay. Papa give you mobile. Not dirty. Papa washed already just now, right? Okay.
तुम्हारी बैठी रही है
Is it nice? You like it? Don't fall down, okay? Don't fall down, huh, Areeba? Huh? You wanna sleep here?
Yeah.
You like it, this one? आप यहाँ पे सोना है? I wanna sit there. So you alone scared? If monster come, then how? Monster will come from there. Monster will come from beach and take Areeba and bring inside the beach already. You know Areeba? Then Areeba cry or not? Areeba cry. No cry. So Areeba want to sleep? Okay, sleep. Okay guys, now we have to go back ready, so we will miss this place. This is very nice house, so I have to finish my vlog and I will come here again next time. Okay, see you. You like my videos and you can subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. Okay, see you. Bye bye. We're reaching KL maybe in 3 to 4 hours because going back time it will be jam. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and bye bye. Okay guys, now this key I have to give back because I'm staying here, so this apartment is very nice place, so now I have to give back this key. We are going back to our place, our house. It's 3 hours journey, so next time I will come again. I will miss this space. So see you and thank you very much. Hello जी, welcome back. I will show you some roads here. ये road बड़ी खतरनाक है, zigzag roads हैं. आपके लिए ऐसे ब्लॉग बनाने पड़ते हैं गाड़ी चलाते हुए भी, तो गाइस प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो. आपको ये व्यू भी देखो, आपको पाकिस्तान में कागान, नरान, सवार, मरी सारी रोडें ऐसी याद आ जाएंगी. इतनी स्लो गाड़ी की इतनी स्पीड है, लेकिन करना पड़ता है. अभी मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं, वो भी सो रहे हैं इस वक्त गाड़ी के अंदर. मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकता क्योंकि गाड़ी भी बहुत ध्यान से चलानी पड़ रही है. तो अभी सिर्फ 1 hour more journey, then I will reach in KL already. So catch you later in short while. Areeba, you okay? Areeba tired or not? No tired. Areeba sleepy. Areeba enjoying? Areeba see the cars how? Areeba tell audience please subscribe. Say please subscribe. And share the channel. Thank you. Good girl. Areeba, very good girl. Okay guys, in 1 hour time, see you. Just slowly we are going back. Thank you. Okay guys, good evening. Now I reach home already. Okay, so I just parked my car here. I will show you. I just parked my car, so now I have to go home and I have to take a rest. 3 hours 30 minutes I reach home. So hope later on you can see all the videos and you can subscribe. I just reach here, I meet my friend and his name is Atir. I will show you. He just reach here. Say hi Atir.
Hi.
Atir, how are you? Fine?
Good.
So you watching my videos?
Every day.
Every day you
2,
watching my
3
videos?
times.
So you have to tell audience please subscribe my channel.
Please subscribe the channel RR.
RR and just press the bell icon.
So you can get the notification every day.
Every day you can get the notification. So these 2 vlogs you can get it Tuesday or Wednesday. Okay, so please enjoy the videos. आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत हो रही है. अभी नेक्स्ट जर्नी जो है मेरी वो आपको अपडेट करूँगा सून. और इस वीक में 3 ब्लॉग हैं. अभी 2 ब्लॉग्स अपडेट हो जाएंगे. एक और ब्लॉग है वो आपके लिए सरप्राइज है. Get back to you. Okay, please subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Bye.